everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem your Meijer gift card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in www.meijer.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Meijer.com. You can easily redeem your gift card by using it for the purchase of merchandise at any Meijer store or online at Meijer.com. Make sure that you're logged into your Meijer.com account, and once you are, go to the gift cards tab at the top of the page. Soon after you click on that, you can use these links right here if you want to check your balance for your Meijer gift card, or if you want to see the card activity for your Meijer.com account. Click on this first link that says click here to check balance, and now you can enter your gift card number available at the back of your gift card in the first text box, and then head over to the next field and type in your PIN code. Finally, click on the check balance button, and if your credentials are correct, you'll be able to check your balance for your gift card. Once you have enough balance on your gift card, you can now go ahead and add a product in your shopping bag for Meijer.com and click on the view card option. If you want to redeem your gift card or your promo code, you must sign into your account. If you're not, you'll be able to see this option right here that says sign in to redeem. Click on the link and enter your email address or your NPerks phone number associated with Meijer.com, and once you're logged into your account, you can enter your gift card number available to you, and you'll be able to redeem your gift card with the purchase you make online. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.